Alright, so all those clips you just watched were me trying to drift, attempting to drift. I got it a couple times. Is this guy stopping? I got it a couple times, and I don't know. Maybe it's just something I need to work on more. I know it is, but I got a couple of them. One was at the beginning, and then I got another decent one off camera, but I have a lot of work to do. But for the life of me, I could not get any wheelies up. I don't know what's my problem. At first it was my clutch. We adjusted it. It felt great. Clutch feels fine. Maybe I'm just bad. Maybe I'm washed, but couldn't wheelie. I got a couple up, and it was just sad. So I'm gonna give a walkthrough of my bike and what I've done through it or to it so far. And me and my buddy Cash just built the rear fender on it, so it looks nice. And yeah, so I'll show you guys all that. is even messed up too. Yeah, we're going over here to this park. I'm gonna give you guys a bike run around, how I like everything, what I wouldn't do on a Sportster, and learn from my mistakes and also learn from my good decisions. I bent the crap out of my back rotor, so that's great. You can feel it when I press my brake. Speed jump. Oh. Rack my nuts on the tank. Alright, so first and foremost, I want to just run through my bike, what I got. So, we'll start from the top. So, stock controls, just keep a plastic throttle tube, don't go billet. Plastic rubs better on metal, just a fact. If you walk over here, I got a Elite Mototech, one finger. Pulls really nice. This thing has changed everything for me, honestly. It's the best. Just sprint all grips, stretch them around the bar, 1-inch bar, 1-inch high-rise thrashing bars, and Drag Specialties 6-inch straight risers. I got a thrashing bag right there. If you come down here, and then for my front wheel, so my bike came with a spoke rim, and as you know, those things blow out. If you're doing wheelies, if you're being hard on your bike, please get a mag wheel. Those spoke wheels, you can run them. I did. I learned how to wheelie in them, but they start to get loose and they start to bend, and if you're not frequently checking them, you are going to eat it. I personally did not eat it because I checked my spokes after every 2 wheelies I did, but it was kind of annoying. And so we machined this out to fit 1 inch, all that. So it works great. Yeah, no issues. I made spacers for it on the lathe. Works great. Move over here. I got a bunking crash bar. Bought it at Ramjet. Just what they had in stock. And I think my next one will be a Fox Fab. But when I bought this, I just wanted to ride. So got my little charm bill. Make sure I don't crash. Keep those devils away. Sadly, stock pipes, but hey, you'll get there when we get there. Stock air filter, progressive 13.5-inch shocks, thrashing bags, Saddlemen tuck and roll, gripper on the back. Walk around here. Me and my buddy Cash built this fender. This is the newest thing I've done to my bike. Cut it down. I don't have any titanium scrape cities out, so I'll have to wait for them to restock, but this thing is built completely underneath, so I will be able to lay on my scrapes, and can't be more excited. This is a American Dunlop Elite. Don't know if I like it, to be honest. I don't know if this one's just old and rotted, but I'm struggling to get wheelies, but hey, that's the name of the game. I got mid controls, Amazon pegs, let's see. My paint, this was stock, so this is a 2009 Sportster XL, and I couldn't recommend it enough, honestly. These things look like mini dynas, and they are sick, and they don't feel as crammed as the other Sportsters, and you got the bigger tank, so when you got to do one-handers, you start grabbing the tank just like they do on the dynas. While I was recording, there's a lady that walked by me right behind me, and I think she was just staring at me for a while, but you know, it's cool. I guess I am talking to myself, but I don't care. I'm going to stop right here for a second. Saddleman seat, bro. You have to get a Saddleman seat. reached out for help a lot more. I put bars on, I had my stock risers, I put suspension on, I put mid controls on, and I put a crash bar on, and I started trying to wheelie this thing. I had stock seat, everything. And yeah, I did it. You can learn like that. It does it perfectly fine. All these other things are just nice things to have, make it a little bit easier. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here, but if you have any questions, if you need some guidance, you don't really know what to do first, you don't know what part to buy, I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I've been through it. The only thing I don't have on here is a freaking chain conversion kit, and I need to upgrade my front springs, but that's really all you need to do to these Sportsters is everything I've explained. These are great bikes. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'm doing my best to be more active on YouTube, post more, and all that. It's hard, man. It's hard because I hate putting out half-assed videos to you guys. Like, if I really want, I can get a 10-minute video every week. I really can, but like I want it to be actually interesting. I want you guys to actually like watch it, not just play it. So I try my best. I'm gonna order a mic for this thing here soon, so you'll be able to hear me in my mic way better. And yeah, so have a good day. Catch you next time. Maybe click one of these videos or something, and then hit the sub. Why not? Come on, it helps me out. Peace.